Need to set up a VPN connection and received an OVPN file? This is an OpenVPN configuration profile containing everything needed to establish a secure encrypted tunnel. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll get you connected securely. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the OVPN format. Details below. OVPN files are configuration files for OpenVPN, containing VPN connection parameters including server addresses, encryption settings, authentication methods, and embedded certificates. They define complete VPN tunnel configurations for secure remote access to private networks and internet privacy protection. OpenVPN OVPN configuration files use plain text with OpenVPN directive syntax, storing remote server addresses, port numbers, protocol selections, cipher specifications, certificate authority, data, client certificates, and private key material for authenticated encrypted tunnel establishment. The OVPN format operates under the official standard set by OpenVPN from OpenVPN Inc. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for execution. Windows cannot interpret symbolic or nested configuration structures fully, so careful editing is necessary. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your OVPN file and select Open With. Test OpenVPN if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. When your OVPN file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The nature of the OVPN format makes basic errors common if one detail is missed. Let's verify these key points right now before proceeding to the fix. First, importing on desktop. Install OpenVPN client from openvpn.net or use the OpenVPN Connect app. Import the OVPN file by right-clicking and selecting Import into OpenVPN or dragging it into the client interface. The configuration loads with all server connection parameters. Click Connect and enter credentials if prompted. Next, connecting on mobile. Install the OpenVPN Connect app on iOS or Android. Transfer the OVPN file to your device via email, AirDrop, or file sharing. Open the file and select OpenVPN Connect to import the profile. Tap the connection toggle to establish the VPN tunnel. The app displays connection status and data transfer statistics. Finally, troubleshooting connections. If connection fails, verify the server address is correct and reachable. Check that embedded certificates have not expired. Ensure your firewall allows OpenVPN traffic on the configured port, typically UDP 1194. Review the connection log in the OpenVPN client for specific error messages indicating authentication or network issues. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to FileMagick.com for the program. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.